Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to take a close look at the YANMAR generator engine. We will explore the main components, fuel injection timing, blue wine system, checker water system, and the pneumatic system. All this based on YANMAR's official reference. Okay, let's begin on the fuel pump side of the engine. This is double-static box of the cooling water, double charger, air cooler, fuel wine strainer, fuel wine flippant, common bed of the crankcase, air starter, generator and also known as the alternator, fuel oil pressure regulating governor, fuel wine injection pump chamber cover, and bonnet. When we open the fuel pump cover, we can clearly see the fuel injection pumps and the parts that work together with them. Now, let's move over the exhaust side. This is exhaust pipe cover. This is lubricating oil strainer. Lubricating oil temperature control valve. Lubricating oil centrifugal filter. Lubricating oil primary button is located in here. Lubricating oil cooler. Lubricating oil pressure regulating valve and junction bulbs. If we remove the exhaust pipe cover, we can see the exhaust connecting pipes inside. This is exhaust manifold. Next, let's take a look from the front of the engine. This is lubricating oil inlet, lubricating oil pump, cooling water inlet and outlet, double charger. This is exhaust gas outlet from double charger. Exhaust mist pipe. As you know, this is fuel wine strainer, cooling water pump, fuel wine feed pump, and fuel wine inlet. Here are the internal components that make the engine work. This is the rocker arm. Here is the push rod. And there is the swing arm. It creates the up and down motion of the push rod. Down here we have the camshaft. And of course, we have the piston, crankshaft, flywheel, and the balance weight. You can also check the firing order by looking at the red numbers marked on the engine. This is the fuel injection valve, also known as the fuel injector. In this engine, each unit has one fuel injector. Each unit also has two intake valves and two exhaust valves. Piston moves up and down inside the combustion chamber while the crankshaft keeps rotating to drive everything. Okay, let's focus on one unit and see how it's all work together. As the camshaft rotates, cam pushes the swing arm. Swing arm moves the push rod. The push rod pushes the rocker arm in bar bridge. And the valves open and close perfectly in time with the engine cycle. Here we can also see how the crankshaft movement is related to the fuel injection cycle. This clearly shows the four strokes of the four-stroke engine: suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. Now, let's take a look at the fuel system. This is fuel wine strainer, fuel wine pressure regulating bulb, fuel oil main pipe, fuel pressure pipe joint. This is fuel wine injection pump, fuel wine pressure regulating governor. We will also check out the components inside the governor and see how they work. This is speed control bolt, governor spring, governor weight, pilot board, compensator piston, power piston, and speed control handle. Fuel wine flows from the main fuel pipe to each fuel injection pump. Then, high-pressure fuel pipes deliver the fuel into the injectors. Inside each fuel pump, we have the delivery bulb, plunger and barrel. There is also an adjusting bolt with a lock nut for setting the fuel injection timing. Next, let's explore the lubricating wine system to see how the engine stays protected and running smoothly. Lubricating wine centrifugal filter, thermostated valve of the lubricating oil, lubricating wine cooler, and lubricating wine strainer. Here is the jug of water system and how water flows to keep the engine cool. We then moved on to the starting air system. Air starter motor turns the flywheel to start the engine. We can also see how the safety cutoff magnetic bar work. Air passes through the air filter and the turbocharger compressor sends fresh air to every unit. The exhaust gas from each unit drives the turbocharger turbine and A6 through the funnel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting engine technology content coming soon.